Unplug the machine from the outlet. Pull out the paper tray. Slowly pull out any jammed paper. On the rear of the machine, open the jam clear cover and remove any paper found. Close the jam clear cover. Push the paper tray completely into the machine. Now plug the machine back in. If the LED is still blinking, press the stop button. For more tutorials, FAQs, and videos, visit us at www.brother-usa.com. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe. Thank you for choosing Brother.